Hi everyone, Petal is Blessed here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to show you how to make a mirrored wall decor using these items that we have right here. So you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Okay, we are going to start with this canvas, which is 18 by 24. And I have these mirrored square pieces here. And I'll have some E6000 glue to help glue them onto our canvas. Now they do come with a sticky background, but I'm adding some E6000 for extra support. So I'm just going to lay one on each corner of our canvas, and this blue foam is a protective plastic. We won't remove that till we're finished doing everything on our canvas to protect our mirror. Now I have some more mirrored pieces here I got from Temu. We're going to add these to our canvas. Again with some E6000 because they do come with a sticky back. But for extra support, I'm using the E6000. Now I have some of these gems here that I got from BB Craft, and I'll be using some E6000 for extra support. They all come with these adhesive on the back, but for extra support you can use some extra glue. I'm using the E6000. Now everything I'm using today will be listed down below in the description box, so you can open it up and see where I got everything. And now I'll be using some of this bling sheet here. Isn't this nice? I think it looks beautiful. And I'll be using some hot glue to glue it down to our canvas. And now it's time to add our crushed glass, and I'll be using the clear Mod Podge to lay down our crushed glass onto our canvas. So we're just spreading the Mod Podge everywhere that we want the crushed glass to be. And now we're just going to sprinkle our crushed glass all over the canvas. And now that the first half is done, I'm just going to raise it up so any crushed glass that's not sticking will fall off. Which you will have foliage, not everything will stick. But you can always add more Mod Podge and then add more crushed glass if that's what you want. So I'm just going to clean this up and then do the other side. So when this side is done, I'll set it aside to dry for a few hours. Okay, it's a few hours later, so I'm going to go over with some more Mod Podge to help seal in the crushed glass so we don't have any foliage when we lift up our mirrored decor. And now I'm going to be adding some silver glitter and some black glitter. Yes, I'm not only using silver, I'm going to add black glitter to this design also. So first the silver, and now I'm sprinkling the black. And now I'm doing the same thing to the other side, sealing it in with the Mod Podge, and then add our silver and black glitter. And when I'm all done, I will set it aside to dry for a few hours. Okay, so now our canvas is all dry. So now I'm going to remove the protective plastic off of each of our mirrored pieces. And here's how it looked. Doesn't that look nice? OMG. I like how it turned out with the crushed glass and the mirrored pieces. And I like that the black glitter gives it a little darker tone. I think that looks really nice. And here is our mirrored piece up on the wall. Doesn't that look nice? I love how it turned out. A nice and easy mirrored wall decor that you could keep for yourself or make it for a loved one. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. I hope I've inspired you with another lovely piece of decor that you could make for yourself or as a gift for a loved one. And I do hope you all will give me a thumbs up for today's DIY mirror. I love how it turned out. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.